Hello mga kagana, kamusta po kayong lahat? Welcome po sa ating another vlog. So ngayon is lalabas na kami saglit ni Blue kasi naboboard siya. Ilang araw na siyang board dito sa bahay. Gusto niya lumabas ngayon. Actually kanina gusto niya pumunta dun sa shop. Grabe ang daming tao. Full yung parking ng China Mall. Let's check somewhere here. Nandito na kami nagpark sa gilid kasi walang maparkingan. Kasi marami nga yung tao dito ngayon. Kasi it's Sunday for ganitong araw, grabe. Kaya hindi pa naman gabing-gabi kasi gusto lang namin lumabas ni Blue. And after that, uuwi na rin kami kasi magluluto pa ako. Dito na nga kami sa may China Mall dito sa taas. Ooh, this is so cool. This is nice. 344. 1.5. You can get this one.
Bear.
So dito kami ngayon sa taas ng China Mall. Tingin-tingin lang. Window shopping. Yes?
What is for the king of queen?
Yeah, king and queen. Ay, grabe.
And look,
10,000.
another bear.
Another bear.
Yes,
Yes. Are you happy?
because of that bear.
Because of the bear.
Another one there.
Yeah, there's a lot of bear all over.
Over there. And look, there.
All
And I
around.
want to see all the bears here.
No, it's okay. Just look. Parang naging park na rin namin to. Kasi wala naman kami pupuntahan iba. Dito lang din.
Oh, let's
Tapos
go to
sa Mel.
that bear.
Wala masyadong tao dito sa taas nila. Pero sa baba, grabe kung makikita nyo, ang daming tao. So ito yung loob ng China Mall dito sa may furniture. Kasi hindi pa pala ako nakapag-vlog dito dati. So ngayon, ipapasyal ko muna kayo dito sa loob ng China Mall. Yes.
Look, that's room over here.
Yes. Actually, maraming China Mall dito. Isa lang ito sa branch nila. Dito sa Maygana. Ang daming branch na yung mga...
That is sleeping.
Ooh, this one is Blue Bear.
Yes, that one is sleeping.
Yes, it's sleeping. May mga bed,
Giant one.
sofa.
Look, that I
Yes, let's check here.
It's
Ooh.
it's also sleeping.
It's also sleeping.
Yes.
Yes. Ito yung mga set nila, oh. Let's check here, Blue. Papakita ko sa inyo yung baba. Kasi ito yung sa taas tayo. Ito yung buong baba. Ayan. You see? Actually dati, wala pa tong baba. Wala pa tong mga food department or iba pang department. Ano lang pala dito, yung mga pangbahay, tapos mga sofa,
Go and
or
find that
furniture.
bear.
Ito pala yung laman ng China Mall dati. Pero ngayon, may mga food item na sila, detergent, at kung ano-ano pa. So, yung makikita dito. Kami talaga, pag pumupunta kami dito, may binibili talaga kami. Pero, yeah, it's nice one. Dito kasi, mura yung mga bilihin talaga. Pero marami na kasi mga China Mall or mga tindahan dito na mura nga talaga yung mga binibenta nila. Pero yung mga pinupuntahan talaga namin dito is yung mga gamit sa bahay, kapag may kailangan kami. Dito talaga kami pumupunta sa China Mall. Kasi mura nga. Let us say, hindi naman ganun ka-quality. Quality naman, pwede na. Mga tao kasi dito, ang kinukuha nila dito sa China Mall or mga Chinese store is mura siya. Not on the quality, but the quantity sometimes ganun. Pero, mura talaga siya. Ayan. You like that?
It's almost pink. How could
Nag-enjoy si Blue dito. Mostly dito mga sold out. Ayan. Okay. Bababa na muna kami kasi para makita nyo yung sa baba area. Okay, something. So, dito na nga kami sa baba, banda. So, maghahanap lang kami ng mabibili ni Blue. Walang kung ano ba yung mga bibili namin dito. You want to buy something?
Yes, but first I will do exercise.
A what?
Exercise.
Exercise. Why? You want to do exercise? Over here. Here. Gusto ata mag-gym ni Blue. Exercise. Let me check something here for the car. Kasi dito, meron ding mga car accessories. Oh, they have a good one. Look. It's a blue.
They
This
had a red, blue,
Yes.
and brown.
Yes, they have a different color. But we don't need that one for now. So what are you looking for?
For exercising.
Exercise? Why?
Because I exercise here. Because I just look at something. Color gun. Yes.
You want to exercise? Wala namang masyadong tao ngayon. Buti nga kasi magsasara na sila. 30 minutes, magko-close na sila. So dito kasi, alas 8, sarado na sila dito. There's no exercise there. Here.
It was there?
I don't know where is the one for the gym, something like that. Why you need to do exercise?
So I can rebound.
You can what?
Rebound.
Be bump or what?
Strong.
You become strong?
Yes.
But you're already strong.
But Dada, I want to become more.
You want to become more strong?
Yes.
No worry. We'll check on that. Dada need to lose weight also. We're here at the toys. But I thought we don't need something on the toys.
We are always checking.
We're always checking. You know how to play this?
No?
Uno?
Uno.
No. Ako wala akong alam dito maglaro ng Uno.
What is even this?
That one is a toy.
Dada?
Oh, here, look at this. Wow, this looks so good. Look,
This?
don't touch it. It's not
What
for-
is this?
It's just, I don't know, it's a toy.
Maybe it's slime?
What do you call it? Ceramic vase. Ganda, oh, look at this. It's Mickey Mouse. But don't touch it because once we break it, we need to pay. And we don't have money for this.
But don't be silly. We just come a long way and we didn't buy any stuff. Hey, Dada? Is this even real?
This is artificial flower.
They just painted it?
Yes.
And what did they make this?
I don't know. It's something plastic. Data ka nga with it.
Oh,
Let's
I
go.
am bored.
So let's go somewhere. Let's go.
But I didn't buy anything.
Ngayon paalis na kami ng China Mall. Wala kaming nabili. Kasi hindi ko alam. Walang masyadong magagandang pwedeng bilhin doon sa ngayon. Tsaka hindi naman namin kailangan bumili ng kung ano. Ang importante is naipasyal ko si Blue. Ayan, tumatakbo doon ang sasakyan. Pasyal-pasyal lang muna kami. After this, hindi ko alam kung saan niya gustong pumunta. Either sa Melcom or gusto niya daw mag-KFC. Pero tignan na lang. So, dito na kami ngayon sa may KFC drive-thru. Dito sa may Manet. Hello, good evening. Ito yung mga menu dito. How are you?
I'm good, yes, sir.
I'm fine. Please, can I order state-wise 5?
Cheese rice fry.
Yes.
Spicy or
3 spicy and 2 original, please. And 2 what do you call this, software.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Good evening. Here, please. Sorry for left. Ayan. So dito, ayan, counter. Tapos bagong lang ito siya. Bagong KFC na po, 6 months ago. Thank you. So may nakapila pa sa unahan. Ayan. So yun lang yung ano namin ngayon ni Blue. Kasi nga naboboard siya. Hindi na kami pumunta ng ano, ng Melcom. Are you okay there? Busy ka ka cellphone. So ito yung total bill. It's 145. Grabe. 125 yung pala yung streetwise 5. Hindi ko alam, para nag-change ata ng price. At saka yung software vanilla ice cream is 20. So ayun lang. Tagal naman dito sa harap. Ayun. Parang tapos na ata siya. Yeah, the software. You like that?
Yay.
Okay. Blue, take it, Blue. Thank you, Uncle.
Look, Dada, it's almost.
Ooh, you like it?
Yes, and it's about to collapse.
Lick it no. So, ayan. So, that's it. Let's go, okay? Stop ko muna.
KFC chicken.
Okay, bye muna. Mamaya na sa bahay kasi uwi na muna kami. Are you happy? So, andito na nga kami sa bahay. Tapos na kami gumala ni Blue at saka nakabili na rin ng KFC. So, saglit lang pero masaya naman daw siya ngayon. Oops. Can you open it? Give it to me. Give it to me. No. Why are you running? Okay. Ay nako, medyo napagod ako dun sa labas namin ni Blue. Pero, ayun lang. Saglit lang, pero nag-enjoy naman kami ni Blue dalawa. So, ayun lang po. At maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa aming mini vlog. Are you happy?
Yes, but the KFC.
KFC? Don't worry, I'll prepare it for you.
But what about Mama?
What? Why? Why?
I want Mama to eat with us.
No, you can eat first and Mama and Dada will eat together. Come here now. Get it. So, ayun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my vlog. See you again po on my next
We
vlog.
don't have